Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make butter at home with ghee updated. Start with chilled heavy cream and a clean jar or stand mixer and churn until solids separate. Drain buttermilk and knead the butter under cold water to remove residual liquid. To make ghee, simmer the butter gently until milk solids brown and strain through cheesecloth. Store cooled ghee in a sealed jar. Use both for cooking and spreading. You'll need heavy cream, salt optional, a jar or mixer, and a fine strainer or cheesecloth. Keep everything cold or clean. Measure about 2 cups of cream to yield roughly 1 cup of butter and some buttermilk. Chilling equipment helps speed separation, while a thermometer is optional for ghee. For ghee, use a heavy bottom pan, low heat, and patience to brown milk solids without burning. Store in jars when cooled. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free timers into the kitchen, making it easy to set 3-minute timers and play cooking playlists. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your kitchen. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Churn cream at medium speed until whipped, then continue past soft peaks until solids clump and buttermilk separates. Pour off buttermilk and press the butter with a spatula, washing under cold water until water runs clear to remove lactose. Salt to taste and shape the butter. Save buttermilk for baking or pancakes. To prevent spoilage, refrigerate butter in an airtight container and label with the date you made it today.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.